Like and subscribe to Desi Engine. Click the bell button to receive the latest video.
Hello friends, today's topic is blends and chunks. Today I'll teach you how to blend two consonants together and learn their pronunciation. So let's get started. The letters C and H, together they pronounce as ch. For example, in the word chat, it is chat. Let's come to the next letter. S, H, together they are pronounced as sh, as in the word shut. Say it again, shut. The next letter is B, L. Together it is pronounced as bl, bl. For example, in the word blast. Say it again, blast. The next letter is TR. Together it is pronounced as tr, as in the word trip. Say it again with me, trip. Next, it's DR. Together it is pronounced as dr, dr, as in the word drink. Say it again with me, drink. The next letter is S and T. Together it is pronounced as st, st. For example, in the word step, step. Say it once again, step. The next letter is S and N. Together it is pronounced as sn, sn, as in the word snake, snake. Say it again with me, snake. Next word is S and K. Together it is pronounced as sk, sk. It's like skull, as in the word skull, skull. The next letter is F and L. Together it is pronounced as fl, fl, as in the word flat, flat. Next letter is G and L. Together it is pronounced as gl, gl, as in the word glass, glass. The next letter is P and L. Together it is pronounced as pl, pl, as in the word plant, plant. The next letter is C and R. Together it is pronounced as crow, crow, as in the word crab, crab. So today we learned how to blend two consonants together. Meet you again in the next class.